Bloomberg Audio Studios. Podcasts, radio, news.
The Stock Movers Report, your roundup of companies making moves in the stock market, harnessing the power of Bloomberg data.
Let's take a look at some stocks on the move today. I'm Nathan Hager, joined by Bloomberg's Valerie Teitel on what is not just a Jobs Friday. Apparently, it is a Deals Friday, particularly around the deal that we saw from Meta Platforms this morning. Good morning, Valerie.
Hey, good morning, Nathan. Yeah, Meta inking more deals with nuclear power plant providers. We're seeing the likes of Oklo Energy surge over 17% off the back of this news. Vistra Energy also surging 12% in pre-market. Meta has signed more multi-gigawatt nuclear power deals for its data centers and will now make Meta the biggest buyer of nuclear power among its hyperscaler peers. The agreements today announced could end up totaling more than 6 gigawatts, which is essentially the average power demand of New York City. Now, Zuckerberg last year told investors that he sees more of a risk posed to his company by underspending on AI infrastructure than he does by overspending on it. He's sticking to his words today with these big deals announced. We're seeing nuclear and uranium stocks also surging on the back of this. It's a broad-based sector move.
Yeah, seriously. And we might have a deal as well, and I stress might, in the pharma space.
Yeah, biotech, it's hot this month and hot this year.
Oh, yeah.
Revolution Medicine surging 15%. The Financial Times reporting that Merck is in talks to buy the cancer drug maker. Merck has been on a buying spree in the last year to fill an impending revenue hole in one of its cancer treatments that's losing patent protection. Now, Revolution Medicines has a market value of near $19 billion. So would mark another big spending deal in the red-hot biotech sector in the last few months.
We're seeing some big moves as well among mortgage lenders after some more comments from President Trump affecting the markets.
Exactly. Another stock move off the back of President Trump's words. Home lending stocks really surging this morning. We have the likes of Loan Depot higher by 17% in pre-market. Rocket Mortgage higher by 6%, rising alongside mortgage bonds after the U.S. president said he was directing Fannie Mae and Freddie Mac to purchase $200 billion of mortgage-backed securities in order to bring down the cost of housing, bring down mortgage rates, and lower mortgage rates means more mortgage activity for these lenders.
A lot of upside movers this morning, but we got to highlight one downside mover. Nuclear power may be hot, but electric cars are not.
Yeah, that's right. GM falling 2% in pre-market. It's taking another $6 billion in charges tied to EV production cutbacks. Financial fallout is really spreading among the weakening market for EVs that has seen rivals such as Ford also take massive write-offs. Big questions for the EV industry ahead. Have we already passed the peak EV? Is this the beginning of the end of the industry as we're seeing multiple car makers beginning to pull back from the U.S. market?
The Stock Movers Report from Bloomberg Radio. Check back with us throughout the day for the latest roundup of companies making news on Wall Street. And for the latest market-moving headlines, listen to Bloomberg Radio live. Catch us on YouTube, Bloomberg.com, and on Apple CarPlay and Android Auto with the Bloomberg Business app.